So we went back to the CN Tower and I did it again with my analog setup. So this just has the EP2 right there, just kind of double-sided tape, and we got our naked Runcam Pro, not the second one, the first one, and it's a different lens on there that I just kind of glued on. So you get to see, I guess, what I see with the analog and what the Runcam sees without any stability or anything. It was just fun. There's a few of you that have discuses on the way, and I thought I fixed it, but my 3D printer's jammed, so I got to take it apart and like fix the direct drive. Like the stuff is it's getting jammed inside there, so I'm gonna get that fixed, and then I'm gonna get those prints done, and then you'll get your discus. So I'm sorry it's taking a little bit longer than planned. It's also March break, so I have the baby with me. She's watching Super Mario, but it's hard to get stuff done. So, but I'll get on it, and you'll get your discuses. And I'm sorry, it's taking me a little while.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall. Calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. The